So today here we are representing the Goya Girl Scout new patch. With the Girl Scout patch, there's 5 steps. You have to find a different culture that you would like to research and make different foods about.
Today, Goya is officially announcing our partnership with the Girl Scouts Heart of New Jersey. We are very excited for today and for this partnership. It's one of those partnerships that required really no thought for Goya. The Girl Scouts of New Jersey is all about bringing people together, encouraging and empowering young girls to be better and help their families be better. So we've partnered up with them with a new patch program called the Goya Cooking with Care Patch. And we hope that this program is going to encourage all the young girls that are participating to eat better, live healthier lifestyles, and encourage their families to do the same.
The Goya Cooking with Care Patch program was designed to motivate girls to have a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're also presenting a check of $30,000 that will go to a scholarship for more girls to attend the summer camp.
This partnership with Goya Foods means that girls all over New Jersey, Girl Scouts all over New Jersey, are going to get to experience cultural foods, to educate their communities, and to talk about food insecurities in their family dynamics. The Goya Foods Cooking with Care Patch program has 5 requirements, and it does everything from take girls through cultural experiences in their communities to looking at their supermarket tables and all of our bodegas and places that girls are buying their foods with their families in a different way. It's going to take 6 to 10 weeks for troops to complete this Cooking with Care Patch program, and we can't wait to see the cookbooks that come out as a result. Girl Scouts Heart of New Jersey are so excited to be here today to celebrate and to launch this Girl Scout Goya Cooking with Care Patch program. It really is going to change the lives of girls in our communities.